Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your own curry powder at the comfort of your home. Okay, so I've just portioned out all my ingredients, everything I'm going to be using for the curry powder. By the way, the brand of curry powder that I'm making is Tiger curry powder. It's very popular there in Nigeria. So these are the ingredients that's we are going to be using. Okay, so here I have a coriander, I have black pepper, I have this is fennel, this is mustard, this is cumin, then this is fenugreek, this is cardamom, then gloves, then nutmegs. Um, on their ingredient list, they've used a dill. I did see dill here, so I'm going to be using bay leaves. Bay leaves is still good for your this thing for curry. Okay, so I'm going to be using their brand turmeric. You can use dehydrated turmeric stem for this. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be roasting all this together, then I'll be grinding. So I've just transferred all the spices into the pan and I'm going to be roasting them on a low heat. The reason why I'm roasting is to increase the shelf life and also to activate their aroma. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm going to be roasting these until I start perceiving the spice, the aroma. Okay, then I will take it off from the heat and allow them to cool before I grind. Okay. So once the spices were cool, I'm going to be grinding this in a wet grinder. You can use the dry grinder, dry mill. Okay. So after which I'm going to be sieving. All right. So look at how it looks without the turmeric. I've not added the turmeric yet, so I'm going to be adding to turmeric and I will be sieving right away. You guys, from this video, you can already tell that this looks so similar to the regular curry that we use in Nigeria. Okay, if it's here in India, we call this masala. Okay, so once I'm done doing this, once I'm done sieving, I'm going to be storing in airtight container so you can compare the store bought one and the homemade one. Thank you so much for watching.